Today, we are gonna fix LinkedIn notifications not showing problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. Our first solution is to enable notifications for LinkedIn. Before doing this, we will check if LinkedIn is up to date. This is important because the issue we are facing might have been resolved with a recent update. To do this, we open the Play Store. After that, we type LinkedIn in the search bar. Then, if you need to update LinkedIn, we will update it. To enable in-app notifications, we open LinkedIn and then click on the profile icon. After that, we open Settings. Then, we tap on Notifications. After doing this, we click on the notification we want to receive and make sure it is toggled on. Additionally, if you want to receive more notifications, you can click one of the options below and enable email and push notifications. You can make these adjustments for other notifications as well. To enable notifications from LinkedIn on our device, we open Settings. Then scroll down and tap on Apps. After that, click on Manage Apps and type LinkedIn in the search bar. Scroll down and click on Notifications. Then toggle on Show Notifications. Also, we toggle on other features as well. We have enabled LinkedIn notification both from within the app and on our device. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem persists, we will proceed to the second solution. Second solution is to completely uninstall LinkedIn and then reinstall it. We are doing this because this straightforward yet effective method can often resolve such issues like this. To clear LinkedIn's data, we open Settings, then click on Apps, and then click Manage Apps. Type LinkedIn in the search bar. After that, click Storage. Click on Clear Data and then on Clear All Data. Confirm by pressing OK. We have cleared LinkedIn's data. We go back to App Info and then click on Uninstall. We have uninstalled LinkedIn. Before reinstalling, we need to restart our device. After doing that, we open the Play Store and reinstall LinkedIn. LinkedIn has been reinstalled. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.